How to check Bilibili rewards and coins. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, tap on the Me option at the bottom right to open your profile page. Next, look for the Pocket option and tap on it. This is where you can manage everything related to your balance, rewards, and coins. You will see two main sections, stars and bins. Under the stars section, you can check your available star coins. If you need more, you can also top up by tapping the option at the bottom of the page. In the bins section, you will find options such as exchange stars, withdraw, and exchange button at the bottom, which allow you to manage and use your bins in different ways. By checking this section regularly, you can easily keep track of your rewards, coins, and overall balance on Bilibili. Now you know how to check Bilibili rewards and coins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.